everyone, we are gonna be discussing the topic students' reading practices and environments, and I'm gonna try to only highlight the main point of the topic. Student reading practices and environments. Reading. Reading skills are considered very important for all of us because every day we are surrounded by written text. When someone likes to read, reading comprehension, writing style, vocabulary, spelling, and grammar development tend to increase. The main purposes of reading for many people is to gain information and knowledge. Developing reading environment. The role of parents must support attitudes and provide motivation to read to children is very important. Thus, parents and guardians must contribute directly by providing a stimulating environment around language, reading and writing, and home literacy agenda, both during the early years and the primary and secondary school years. This shows that the teacher role should complement parents and not be the only party fully involved in the development of children literacy. National Literacy Survey. In the National Literacy Survey by Pustaka 2006 regarding 2005 reading campaign in an urban school in Kuching, Sarawak in Malaysia, the respondents were mostly 16 years old from various ethnic groups. From the data obtained from the questionnaire, it shows that many respondents prefer non-academic readings such as comics, storybooks, and magazines compared to academic reading. And reading to obtain information also seems to be mostly done by respondents. These goals are also relevant in their daily life as students are required to read in school as part of lessons or to prepare for exams. This shows that they recognize the importance of reading, although they do it more at school than at home because some of them don't have enough time to read at home. And this result parallel to the study conducted by Kaur and Tiagaraja, where many of the students were found to read very little at home, except for some who read the daily newspaper, and seemed perturbed when asked about their reading interests, giving the typical reasons of the lack of time and access to reading materials to explain the lack of time used for reading. And respondents' reading attitude and motivation. From the questionnaire, more than half of the respondents come from families that provide relative average motivation towards reading, because it can influence students to actually acquire some positive reading attitudes. And exposure and support. To some extent, respondents have support in reading because it's not considered an unusual daily practice, especially in the home domain. These results are promising because some parents do provide several means of support in terms of encouragement, reading resources, exposure, and reading opportunities to foster constructive reading interests and habits. And conclusion is, in general, the findings show that many students are aware of importance of reading, but some of them don't have enough time to reading at home. They are more likely to learn to read at school than at home. In terms of reading preference, many students were found to prefer light reading materials such as comics, storybooks, magazines, followed by other reading sources. In confirming their motives for reading, the student answered that basically they read to get information and knowledge. For this reason, it's recommended that parents be diligent in reading, so that their children will read more often at home. Parents who are able to provide a stimulating reading environment can encourage their children to read, both for pleasure and academic purposes, and thus will benefit from reading. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.